Hey guys, welcome on our YouTube channel WebTech Bull. Guys, today we discuss about the lat long type, that how can be converted the lat long type. So guys, let's start today's video. So first of all guys, you have to go in your screen left upper corner. You can see the some options like file, edit, view, tools and help. So guys, you have to go the fourth option, tools, and then the last option is options. Tap on this and you can see there are many options or many settings that you can be done with your Google Earth. So guys, you have to go the second option, show lat long. So guys, you can see here lat long type is degree, minute and second. So guys, first of all you cut this tab and then add a place mark. Okay, and then you can see the lat long type is degree, minute and second. And then now we are converting the lat long into decimal degree. So simple, you have to select the decimal degree and then apply and OK. Then again add a place mark and then you can see the lat long type is changed. Okay, so the lat long type is decimal degree. So guys, this is the few settings in Google Earth from where you can change your lat long type. So guys, if you like this video, please hit on the like button, subscribe our channel for more videos related GIS and Google Earth. Thanks for watching.